How we cut delicious mango. First we will wash mango well. Now we cutted mango in perfect shape. Now we eat mango. First, we peel a mango. Pieces. Mango added in grander. Milk and sugar added. Grind well. Now put in bottle. First add ice and mango cube and then added milkshake. Ready for drink? Mango make me happy. We make delicious mango juice. We have a mango, then peel the mangoes. Cut it in small pieces. Put in grander. Add sugar. Water. Ready for drink? Or drink. Let's make delicious mango milkshake with mango cube. Remove the skin of the and cut it into small pieces. Put the chopped into the grinder and add sugar and milk along with it. Grind well. Now take out the mango milkshake inside the jar. Add ice. Summer drink for summer.